Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Pearly Beach in St. Anne has been temporarily blacklisted following yesterday's gridlock in the parish. The authorities say activities in and around the venue were major contributors to the traffic nightmare. Some patrons who should have been floating at a fun-filled festival had to abandon their plans as they remained stuck in their vehicles. In the meantime, the authorities say they have put plans in place to deal with the rest of the holiday period. More from Dwayne Anderson.
Gridlock on the streets of St. Anne on Saturday, particularly those leading into and out of Ocherius. It is becoming an annual nightmare when revelers descend on the parish for parties. Some persons claim they were trapped in the traffic for more than 5 hours. Persons got so frustrated they decided to walk to their destinations, some of which were over an hour away by foot. The situation was not helped by the rain that dampened the plans of the partygoers. Fast forward to Sunday, and the authorities were locked in meetings to discuss the situation. They are adamant they had a traffic and crowd management plan, but it would appear that plan failed miserably. SSP Dwight Powell is in charge of the St. Anne Police. He said the pandemic played a major factor in the extraordinary gridlock yesterday.
Yesterday being the first official holiday since the reopening of the country following 2 years of closure, the parish of St. Anne saw a large influx of visitors yesterday. So all the beaches, all the entertainment places were inundated with holiday makers.
The commanding officer also responded to criticisms from the frustrated commuters who say the traffic situation was not handled well.
Of course, we'll have to work in light of resource concern, and I am not one to cry over resources. What we do is to maximize what we have to the very best advantage. And so yesterday, that's what we did. We sought additional help. We got additional help. We rolled out all the available personnel at our disposal. And certainly, I didn't leave the people alone out there. I went there myself.
To prevent a recurrence of the situation, big decisions will have to be taken, which could hurt segments of the entertainment sector.
Until we are satisfied that sufficient arrangement can be in place, absolutely no permit will be granted again, as long as I'm here for Pearly Beach.
But Easter Monday is another public holiday, so how will the authorities cope?
The municipality is really giving the assurance that we're really not going to allow that to happen again.
For the rest of the weekend, we are reviewing our strategies and we are seeing how best we can ensure that the flow of traffic.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.